Hi, my name is Karthik. I've recently used this browser-based game engine called Zimension. It's very easy to make really interesting games in it.
Hi, I'm Agastya. What I enjoyed most about Zimension was how simple and fast it was to use. Being browser based and not needing any coding meant we could jump right into building levels instead of worrying about the setup. For our game Out of the Trap, that was a huge advantage. Overall, I'd say Zimension was a great fit for the jam. It gave us exactly what we needed: speed, simplicity, and a clear path to get a game finished in time.
Hi, I'm Ashish. For me, the best part of Dimension was how easy it was to get started. Since I didn't have to worry about coding, I could directly focus on designing levels and testing the flow.
I'm Ayush, and I recently used the Zimension web-based game engine for my very own project called Rusko. Using Zimension was quite an easy experience and very liberating kind of, because it let me test out and implement a lot of ideas that I had in my mind in a very easy fashion and in a hassle-free way. There was no need of any codes to be written, and whatever I wanted to do was just a click away or just an implementation technique away.
Hi, I'm Kunal Mana, and I recently used Zimension, a browser-based game engine, to build my game. Honestly, it made the whole process so smoother and faster. Normally, creating assets and setting up environments takes a lot of time, but Zimension gave me everything I needed in one place. Thanks to Zimension, I was able to bring my concept to life in a short time, and I would definitely recommend it to anyone who wants to speed up the game development process.
Both of us have experience with Unity, and for a majority of game development softwares, you really need to understand how to import assets and set up the scene, some scripting, and Dimension really brings game development to the common user and developer, and you can just get started with it and create something really unique which you might not be able to on other engines without much experience.